What's up, tech fanatics? The wait is over. Samsung just unleashed the Galaxy S24 series, and oh boy, it's shaking things up in the smartphone cosmos. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the tech talk. Let's get into our hot take. First off, major move by Samsung, dropping the S24 series announcement 2 weeks earlier than the S23s. And guess what? They'll hit the shelves nearly a month earlier. Samsung's playing the long game, setting the stage for a showdown with Apple's iPhone 15 series. It's like a tech duel of the titans. Now, the Galaxy S series has been somewhat chill in recent years, but hey, that's the deal when you're in a mature market. But hold on, there are some spicy bits in the S24 series. Let's break it down. Let's talk about the Plus. This might be the most sense the Galaxy S Plus model has made since the S20 Ultra days. The S24 Plus is bringing back that crispy 1440 display. Get this, it's a MULPO panel for the first time. It can smoothly slide between 1Hz and 120Hz refresh rate. Plus, it's got a 200 mAh boost matching the Ultra. And guess what? 12 GB of RAM, just like the big brother. Now, that's a plus we can get behind. And there's always a but, the Vanilla S24 might not be turning as many heads. It adds a smidge to the display, bumps up the battery by 100 mAh, and that's about it. Small phone fans, we hear you, but the sales figures might not be singing the same tune. Now, the S24 Ultra is like a fine wine, a measured update. Samsung's not making huge leaps, but refining the game. Titanium alloy frame, slimmer bezels, new chipset, and a fresh camera setup. It's all about that premium refinement. Quick pause for the frame switch. Moving from aluminum to titanium in the S24 Ultra isn't just about looks. It's structural and thermal benefits. Heat dissipates faster, and that matte finish, pure class. Let's not forget the screen upgrade. Flat display, slimmer bezels, 2600 nits, and less reflective. It's like Samsung gave the S24 Ultra a VIP pass to the best viewing experience. Camera talk, the move from 10x optical zoom to 5x. Smart move, Samsung. The new 5x camera on the S24 Ultra has a bigger sensor, a brighter lens, and it's a win-win. It's like having the best of both worlds, especially in varying lighting conditions. Samsung's hyping up the Galaxy S24 series as the smartest AI phones ever. Circle to search, live translate, and more. It's a full AI takeover. Is it all that? Well, we'll have to dig deep in our tests, but it's looking promising. Circle to search alone feels like a feature we've been missing out on for ages. Now let's address the Exynos elephant in the room. The Exynos comeback with the 2400 is raising eyebrows. CPU design, 4nm process, maybe even a superior GPU. It's a showdown, and we're here for it. Battery tests, we're waiting for you. So there you have it. Our hot take on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. What's your favorite feature? Drop a comment below. Hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more juicy tech insights. Until next time.